HK-MP5. The HK-MP5 is a popular gun featured in some of our favorite science fiction and action movies, like The Matrix. We are looking at the Lego version, but most would not even notice, as it looks and shoots like the real thing. Just take a look at this bad boy. It can fire 420 shots in a single minute. A loaded magazine from this submachine gun can be emptied in under 5 seconds. This toy gun has a damage radius of 4 meters, as the gun is almost the same size as the real MP5. The toy fits well in the hand and is well balanced. If you don't pinch yourself, you might just think you have the real HK MP5 in your hand. Minigun M134D Vulcan. Our next LEGO gun is the Minigun M134D. The actual model has a rate of fire of more than 100 shots per second. Yep, not per minute, that's 100 shots per second. This high fire rate makes this the gun of choice for air targets and fires from aircrafts in mid-air. How complex this gun looks, and with so many moving parts, it is a wonder how the team at TA Vision Studios recreated this device using only Legos. The toy model seems so real. The size of the toys are a bit smaller than the actual gun, but the difference is almost unnoticeable. There are over 160 small parts, most of which are moving parts in a very complex design. It would take an average person, using step-by-step instructions, over a week to recreate this LEGO gun. The only thing is that unlike the HK-MP5, the Minigun M134D Vulcan does not shoot. You can pull the cartridges off the belt. Nerf NStrike Elite TERRASCOUT. Our next toy is the Nerf NStrike Elite TERRASCOUT. This is an all-terrain dart blaster that is remotely controlled. This land drone was designed and created by Hasbro, a well-known toy manufacturer. The dart cannon Nerf gun can fire 18 shots and travel on all surfaces as long as it's not wet. The batteries used are rechargeable and keep it running for extended periods. The blaster on this Nerf can go up to a speed of 215 feet per minute. The NStrike Elite rotates at a full 360 degrees, and it comes equipped with a camera that can transmit videos to the controller's LCD screen in real time. This camera gives users the ability to scout out the area and see behind the scenes without being identified by the enemy. The controller can also help the user to adjust the angle of the blaster very quickly. When the 18 dart clip unleashes, then it is showtime. The young Nerf gun operator can also add an SD card to record the battle's photos and videos. Wellenspieler. Now here is a toy for those hot summer days. Meet the Wellenspieler, a fantastic German water toy. With this one invention, you can provide hours of fun and entertainment for your children. Let's face it, kids never get tired of water, and this toy would be like a part of the family. Wellenspieler is a mobile water wheel and fountain that requires no hose or refilling. Children can also change and experiment with the pressure of the water and how it flows. This toy is environmentally friendly, as the cycle does not waste but recycles the water. A powerful pump is used to operate the fountain, where the pressure is continuously released to send water through the smaller openings. Children will enjoy splashing water on their faces and having a water park all to themselves. .308 Bullet Glass Whiskey. Here we have the .308 Bullet Glass Whiskey. Lucky Hot USA creatively designed this whiskey glass that is a favorite among whiskey lovers. At first glance, it appears as if someone was shooting a 7.62mm bullet and the glass was used to stop the shot. The glass itself is made from a type of high-resistance borosilicate glass. Manufacturers assure customers that the bullet will leave no lead residue and it is fit for consumption. They also guarantee that the shell will be in place for a very long time unless purposely forced out. The glass's volume is around 300 millimeters, with a height measuring 8.9 centimeters and a width of 8 centimeters. Let us know in the comments below if you would like one of these whiskey glasses. Elastic Precision Gun. If you ever thought about getting a gun but don't want a real one, we have an excellent alternative for you. Artisans from Kansas created a gun that fires rubber bands. This gun, developed by Elastic Precision, is said to shoot at longer distances and faster than other guns of the same nature. It is also said to be more accurate, which is excellent, primarily if you are competing. The design is patented and is semi-automated. It can also shoot 6 rounds in under 2 seconds. When you pull the trigger on the gun, the slides are activated. Once activated, it stretches the rubber bands and sends them to the desired target. Elastic Precision did a great job with the quality of the gun. The wood used to manufacture it is high-quality solid sugar maple, which can last for years to come. All these rubber band guns are made exactly like the real thing. Some of these guns include a 9mm pistol, the government's M1911 handgun, the German MP5 submachine gun with sliding stock, and also an old-timer, the PPK. Some models can load up to 24 rubber bands and can be fired to a distance of up to 9 meters. Bug Assault. I can see grown men playing with this one. This gun will turn anyone into a bug hunter and seems like a lot of fun. As long as you have some salt lying around, you won't need a fly swatter or insect spray anymore. Any bug, whether mosquitoes, spiders, ants, or roaches, are in big trouble even from 1 meter away. With your everyday cooking salt as your ammunition, you will always have bullets to work with. Once fully loaded, this gun can take down up to 80 intruders before needing to be reloaded again. Because of how soft the insect's body is and the force coming from the gun, they do not stand a chance. In case you have terrible aim, the Bug Assault has a laser that helps you with just that. You can use this gun as you would a traditional shotgun without even using batteries. Nerf Rival. Today, our last feature is a Nerf gun that will get the kids away from their screens and back to reality. The Nerf Rival is so much fun. This blaster offers fun and entertainment for hours at a time. Suitable for both adults and teens, but I would recommend leaving younger children out of this one. It is developed by the Hasbro toy company. The shots sting just like a paintball pellets, even though they're only foam ball ammunition. They fire at approximately 105 feet per second and goes over 100 feet. The Nerf Rival is accurate in its shots and is safer than a paintball gun. It is faster and also hits harder than most of its competitors. Thanks for watching! What has been your favorite toy so far? Let us know in the comments below. Also, remember to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome content like this one. See you in the next video!